Lego Technic Formula 1 car. This is the official Lego Technic 2022 Formula 1 car. It features front and rear independent wishbone suspension. It has push rods going into the chassis. It has a fake V6 and a working differential in the rear. It's also got front steering, as you can see, and a manual DRS, which stands for drag reduction system. I would have liked a little button up here or something that would have moved this, but I mean, it is what it is. Under, we have a lot of room to modify it. As you can see, eventually I will probably take out the engine and put in a fast motor or something to make this a remote control car. The Formula 1 car costs about $180 from most major retailers like Amazon, but you can get it for slightly cheaper whenever you get off the Lego store for about $160 to $170. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like this kind of content, and also leave a comment down below about how I did. Also, I'm sorry that I haven't posted much lately. I have been very busy with Christmas season, and Merry Christmas! Click right here for more of my content. And also, here's another one of my videos. So go watch that while you're at it.